So how was your day?
Busy, but good. I actually wrapped that project up early, finally.
Hey, look at
and
you.
And just as I was about to leave, Malik knocks his smoothie all over the keyboard, purple everywhere.
No!
We were blow drying it like it was a newborn. You know, how was your day?
Busy but beautiful. The market was wild this morning. People everywhere. I sold out of the mango jam before noon. And this tourist from Canada wanted to know if I'd ship, girl.
Little smoke, little spice takes me back to that shack in the grill.
The one where the cook sang louder than the steel drums?
Forgot our order because he was dancing with the tourists.
Smells like the ocean with a hint of chili.
Just dive in. I snuck a bite earlier.
You remember my friend Renee from the party last week?
Renee, the one in the yellow jumpsuit who kept stealing the salsa?
Exactly. She texted me today. Wants to take us to that rooftop drum circle Friday.
I'm in. Anyone who can dance like that deserves an encore. So who is Mike?
Mike. Oh, you heard that. Mike is my car.
Your car?
Yeah. Little blue hatchback. He rattles like maracas but never lets me down. I named him after my uncle who taught me how to drive.
I thought I had competition for a second.
No chance.